Adsorb. Definitions. To cause a substance, usually a gas, to form a very thin layer on the surface on another substance. Example: the activated charcoal will adsorb impurities from the water. Adulterate. Definitions. To make food or drink weaker or to lower its quality by adding something else. Example: the manufacturer was caught trying to adulterate the olive oil with cheaper vegetable oil. Advance. Definitions. To go or move something forward or to develop or improve something. Example: she desires to advance her career by enrolling in a master's program. Advantage. Definition. To make someone or something more likely to be successful by creating a situation that helps them. Example: having a bilingual education will advantage you in the global job market. Advertise. Definitions. To make something known generally or in public, especially in order to sell it. Example: they plan to advertise their new product line during the Super Bowl. Advice. Definitions. To give advice to someone or to suggest something. Example: the lawyer will advise you on the best course of action for your case. Aerate. Definitions. To add a gas to liquid, especially a drink. Example: it's important to aerate the lawn in the spring to promote healthy grass growth. Affect. Definition. To have an influence on someone or something, or to cause a change in someone or something. Example: the new policy will significantly affect our department's operation. Affiliate. Definitions. To cause a group to become part of or form a close relationship with another. Example: our company decided to affiliate with a larger conglomerate to expand its market reach. Affirm. Definitions. To state something as true. Example: the judge will affirm the lower court's decisions after reviewing the evidence. Affix. Definition. To fasten or stick one thing to another. Example: please accept the correct postage to envelope before mailing it. Afflict. Definition. If a problem or illness afflict a person or thing, they or it suffer from it. Example: the disease continues to afflict millions of people worldwide. Afford. Definitions. To have enough money or time to buy, keep or do something. Example: I hope I can afford to buy a house in the next few years. Agglomerate. Definitions. To join or stick together to form a larger mass or group, or to cause something to do this. Example: the small particles begins to agglomerate into larger clumps in the solution. Aggrandize. Definitions: to make someone more powerful or important. Example: the politician tried to aggrandize himself by aggravating his achievements. Aggravate. Definitions: to make a bad situation worse. Example: scratching the rash which only aggravate the condition. Aggregate. Definitions: to bring different things together. Example: we need to aggregate the data from all the surveys before we analyze this. Agonize. Definitions: to spend a lot of time trying to make a decision. Example: she would agonize for hours over a smallest decision. Agree. Definitions: to have the same opinion. Example: after lengthy discussion, they finally agree on the terms of the contract. Aim. Definitions: to plan for a specific purpose. Example: he will aim to complete the project by the end of the month. Alienate. Definitions: to cause someone or a group of people to stop supporting. Example: his rude behavior will only serve to alienate his co-workers. Alight. Definitions: to get out of a vehicle, especially a train or bus. Example: the bird will alight on the branch to rest up for a while. Elegant. Definitions: to put or two more things into a straight line or to form a straight line. Example: the company needs to align its strategies with its long-term goals. Allay. Definitions: to make a negative emotions less strong or a problem less difficult. Example: to allay their concerns, the manager provided detailed explanation of a new procedures. Allocate. Definitions: to give something to someone as their share of a total amount to use in a particular way. Example: the government will allocate additional funds to support for education. Allot. Definitions: to give something, especially a share of something, available for a particular purpose. Example: each speaker is allotted 15 minutes for their presentation. Allow. Definitions: to give permission for someone to do something or to not prevent something from happening. Example: the new software will allow users to access files from any device. Allude. Definitions: to mention someone or something without talking about him, her, or it directly. Example: in his speech, he will allow to pass mistake to emphasize the need for change. Alphabetize. Definitions: to arrange a list of words in alphabetical order. Example: please alphabetize the list of names for easier reference. Alternate. Definitions: to happen or exit one after the other repeatedly. Example, we decide to alternate the meeting locations between the two offices. Amalgamate. Definitions: to join or unite to form a larger organization or group, or to make separate organizations to do this. Example, the two companies will amalgamate to form a new larger entity. Amass. Definitions: to get a larger amount of something, especially money or information, by collecting it over a long period. Example, over the years he was able to amass a considerable fortune through his investments. In the next tutorial, I will bring you English words with meaning lessons. See you in a future video.